everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the Fiat 500 cabin air filter and the engine air filter. I'll be back. Let's start by changing the Fiat 500 cabin air filter. I'm using ECOGARD model XC26185. XC26185. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna put everything in the description. So anyway, the location of the cabin air filter, it's right here in the passenger side. So what you want to do, get a T25 and come here, Brenna. You may need a light since it's really dark here. Like this one is really helpful. So it's right here, the screw. So what you want to do, just pull this screw out and pull this. It's a bit tight here. There you go. And there are two tabs. Come here, Brenna. Here and here. You want to get a flat screwdriver. Show them, Brenna. Can you come closer, please? Up here. And you want to pull it out like that, and then pull the tab. Another one right here. Look. It's really tight. If you're a big guy, it's gonna be pretty tight here. It's a pull tab. Are they able to see it, Brenna? Not too far, right?
Yep, I can see it.
So anyway, and then you pull the cover off right here. So can you go on the other side, please, Brenna?
All right.
So they can see. You need a ratchet. Let me see. 732 ratchet. And come here, Brenna. Show them. The cabin air filter is located right here. Are they able to see it? Down there. So you want to get the ratchet and loosen it. Hold on. Move it and space. It's really dark in here. And you just have to loosen the screw. Like that. Put it here. And there are two screws right here. Brenna, where are you going? I want you to show them right here. See? Very, very tight. This is why it's really hard to make a DIY video in the tight space. Come here, Brenna. I want you to focus on right here, please. Yes, so people can see it. And then you have to pull this, put the electrical cable out of the way, and make sure people can see it, darling. It's right here. Then you just pull it out. This one here. And then it's right here. Can you show them where the filter is? It's right here. You want to pull. Look at this, it's so dirty. I know it's gonna be dirty. Look at that. Oh my lord. You just have to pull it out. Look how dirty it is. I knew when I bought this thing in a Toyota dealership, they have no idea how to change the cabin air filter. They just, probably somebody just traded in, and then they don't even bother to service the vehicle. I don't think they even look at this thing. This is why buying a used car, even though they said they do dealer reconditioning, they're BS, you know. So anyway, I'm just buying this because it's cheap for my wife and daughter to go to college. But dealership, they're a bunch of BS, a bunch of scammers. Especially where I bought this Fiat. It's Lustin Toyota. Don't. Right here. Look at this. They said they did whatever point inspection on this car. The Lustin Toyota of Woodbridge, they're BS. Look at this. What you want to do, you want to pinch this in the middle. Shoot them, Brenna. And then you want to slide it up. Oops, sorry. Just to make it easier to slide up, you want to pinch it a bit because it's really, really tight and it's dark. There you go. Now you're done. Show them, Brenna. See how easy it is? Yeah, I'm pretty upset that they pretend that they did in inspection and car maintenance and all that BS they did in their listing. This is why you don't trust you know, car dealership. They're a bunch of scammer. But it's okay. I'm just buying this car for my daughter and my wife, since I know to do DIY work. So anyway, now you just have to put everything back together. Show them, Brenna. It's right here. So now what you want to do, you just have to put everything back together. I'll be back. With the cabin air filter is installed, like this one. Look at this thing. This is the old one, okay? The dealership that where I bought the Fiat said they did whatever it is, 100 something multi-inspection, and they didn't inspect this, okay? This is why some dealership are BS and scammer. Look at this thing. Is this inspected? Shame on you, dealership. Well, I'm gonna pick it up later. But anyway, we're gonna change the engine air filter, because when you buy a car like this, you know that the dealership is not doing anything. Most dealerships are just scammer. They will take your money. They don't even change your oil. They don't do any maintenance to your car. So anyway, this is how you do it. Good thing I'm here to do DIY work on my car, and I can teach you how to do the same thing, so you don't have to be scammed by those dealership service people. Come here, Rena. In order to open the engine hood, you want to go here. This red lever right here, you just want to pull it up like that. It pops. This is why I do YouTube DIY channel, because I'm sick and tired of people getting scammed all the time by service people. They think we don't know anything about stuff, and I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna fight this, you know. So we could just gonna open it like that. Make sure you put this thing right here, so it won't crash your head while you're doing it. The engine air filter is located right here. You want to just pop the engine cover off to give more space, and you just need a Phillips screwdriver. It's very easy. Come here, Brenna. There are 3 screws that's holding the engine air filter. Yeah, I don't know how those dealerships scam people. Do they have a sense of decency at all? This is what really pissed me off. How what motivated me to start this channel, because I've seen a lot of people get scammed by places like, I remember when I take my Toyota Tercel a long time ago to Jiffy Lube. They didn't even change my oil, and they messed my car up pretty bad, you know. That's why I don't take my car to Jiffy Lube anymore. Now this Lustin Toyota Woodbridge, Virginia, don't even go there, man. What they do in their listing is all lies. Come here, Brenna. What you want to do now? It's really easy. You just have to slide it up, and voila. Just right there. What I use for the engine air filter is the ECOGARD model XA6183. XA6183. I'll put everything in the description. Come here, Brenna. What you want to do? Look at this thing. Is this the car that has been inspected? Multi-point inspection scam? This is just scam, you know. This is why I don't want you guys to get scammed out there by stupid dealership, stealership. So you just pick it up like this, Brenna. Look at this. I mean, all this. Look. The difference, right? This is old. You can't sell a car like this, especially when you claim that you just inspect the car. This is what pissed me off sometimes. Then you just place the new one. Look, it's so much better. And then you just align the tab and press this one, and that's it. This is why you can actually do it yourself at home, you know. You don't have to pay the dealership to steal your money and not doing anything about your car. And it doesn't take very long to do it. This is my whole mission why I started YouTube channel and teach you guys how to do DIY work. Because I've been scammed before, and I know that dealership, they don't do anything to your car when they do maintenance. I mean, not every dealership is bad, but this one apparently is not good. This is like, I will never go there again. There will be no repeat business. There you go. Isn't that easy? So you just have to tighten it. So now the car has been serviced, and I know when you do things, you know, I know when I do things myself that I do it the right way. And you don't want to waste your hard-earned money taking your car to dealership, and they don't do maintenance about it. Now at least now I know that I do it correctly on my own car. And I know that, you know, all the parts are being put correctly. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and it's been helping you. Make sure to click the subscribe channel and give a thumbs up. Love you guys. I'll be back. Bye.